Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So immediately after posting my shots, okay, I felt the need that I should bring this video before you so that there is a clear explanation, okay, regarding the question. Okay, so in the related video too, you can find this long video as well as you can search it in the playlist of probability class 10. All right, so the question that I have put on, okay, one of the shots is what's the probability that June has 5 Mondays in a leap year. Now remember, leap year has 365 plus one more day. Alright, so 365, okay, is a normal non-leap year, whereas a leap year has one extra day which goes to February. Okay, February has that extra day. What about June? Okay, so any 3 month, 30 days month. Okay, so all the 30 days months, okay, regardless of the name, this is June, so we are doing June, okay, as it is put in the question. So any 30 days, okay, would provide us 28 days. Remember guys, it will provide us 28 days plus 2 extra days. Am I right? So it has properly 4 weeks and 2 extra days. Am I right? Now remember guys, 4 weeks is all fulfilled by all the 7 days, which means that in June we'll get already 4 Mondays from these 4 weeks. Correct? What about the 2 extra days? Okay, 2 extra days will pose, okay, different combinations before us. So therefore we'll have to find out those combination which is favorable for Mondays. Am I right? So a leap year has 366 days. Therefore, who is benefited or which month is benefited? It's February. It's not June, guys. So that is to mislead, okay? So February may have 29 days. There will be separate questions for the month of February, but just now we are doing on June or any month that has got 30 days. Later I am going to discuss about months having 31 days also, but presently let's concentrate on June only, okay? So 4 Mondays we'll get from 4 weeks of June. Am I right? As I have already said, the 2 extra days, okay, could possibly be what? So the possible outcomes could be, okay, if those 2 extra days begins with Monday, then the next day can be Tuesday. We can't have 2 Mondays, right, on both the days. Okay, we have to count on the consecutive days. So Monday, then comes Tuesday. If it starts on Tuesday, like here, then the next day would be Wednesday. And if it starts on a Wednesday, then the next day would be Thursday. And if it starts on Thursday, the next day would be Friday, and Friday, Saturday, then Saturday, Sunday, then Sunday and Monday. Why did I stop here? Alright, why did I stop here? Some students have confusion about getting the possible outcomes. So I stopped over here because if I would have gone ahead, okay, in the series or sequence, I would definitely have the next after Sunday, Monday, the next would be Monday, Tuesday, which I have already, okay, put here, which means it will be repeated. Hence, we stop here. Okay, so we stop over here. And the possible outcomes that we get now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember guys, possible outcomes, not favorable outcomes. And the formula for finding probability, okay, is number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. So Total number of possible outcomes, as I said, is 7. But Monday comes in this one and it comes in this one. So if those 2 days begin either by Monday and then Tuesday, or it begins by Sunday and culminates into Monday, then we have 2 favorable outcome, okay, which we can use it, okay, to say that we will, or there is a possibility that 5 Mondays could be in the month of June. And why June? All those months which has got 30 days, right? We are not, okay, focusing on February because it is out of focus, as February has 29 days, right? So don't get confused by seeing the months, okay? Now, after this, I am taking you to another question of the same kind, all right, for clarity. Since I have already explained this question, okay, all these questions in Hindi, okay, which is why I have the script already written, but there will be the last question which I'm going to solve before you, which I haven't taught in that particular video, all right? So that has got some extra question that we'll be doing, okay, after this. So find the probability that the month of February, now here comes February, which can be a crunch to most of the students, right? So what is a possibility that, okay, February month has Wednesdays in a leap year, which means 366 days, or on a non-leap year, which is a normal, okay, year, 365 days. All right, guys. So if you get a question like this, okay, you should know that 366 days means February month will not have, okay, 28 days, but it will have an extra day, okay? All right. So let me just start with a non-leap year. A non-leap year, okay, we have 365 days. February has 28 days, okay, in that particular month, am I right? So if it has got 28 days, which means that is equal to 4 weeks. 4 weeks will be occupied by all the 7 days in each week, which means all total, the number of Wednesdays in the month of February would be 4, not more than that. Since there aren't any, okay, extra days, see, 28 plus 0 days. So which means what? Do we have any favorable outcome? We do not have any favorable outcome, okay? So in that case, probability of getting a 5 Wednesday doesn't seem conducive, okay? Which means 0 actually, which we can also write like this, or you can straight away write like this, all right? So now let us go into the leap year, okay? What is the difference? Coming to the leap year, we know that, okay, a leap year has 366 days. Therefore, Feb has 28 days plus 1, okay, extra day, which means it has got 29 days. All right. 4 weeks of Feb will give 4 Wednesdays, right? Now this extra day, okay, so the possible outcome for one extra day could be what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. All right. So which means We have already 4 Wednesdays, okay, from the 28 days. Am I right? So 4 Wednesdays from 28 days, from 4 weeks, we can pick up, okay, the possibility that there can be a, okay, another Wednesday added to this 4, okay, because we have a chance that that extra day, 28 days, okay, having finished, that extra day might be either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday. We do not have more than 7 days. So which means, of course, there is a possibility. So we write probability of 5 Wednesday equals to total outcome and favorable outcome. Okay guys, since we don't have space, so let me just write it. So favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this divided by 7. So our answer is 1 by 7. Am I right? So this is favorable outcome. Okay. So guys, it is as simple as that, just that we get kind of, okay, blown off by reading leap year or non-leap year. Understood? So for a leap year, what do we have is that, okay, the possibility of having 5 Wednesdays is 1 by 7. And for a non-leap year, okay, since it has got, okay, 28 days in the month of February, 4 weeks, only 0 extra days. So there is a possibility for only 4. So beyond 4 we can't think of, hence the probability, okay, probability of 5 Wednesdays in a, okay, this year, okay, which is non-leap year, is 0. Alright guys, now I had given some homework to those students who were explained earlier. So you too take this for homework, but I'm going to explain you further about the situation, okay, when you come across month having 31 days. Alright. So here is the question, okay, set for homework, which you people are supposed to be doing as homework. Probability of the month of February, okay, find the probability that the month of February may have 5 Mondays in a leap year. It's just one shot and you can do it, I am confident. Okay, now this is little tricky. Find the probability of having 5 Thursdays in a 31-day month, okay, in a leap year as well as a non-leap year. So this 31 days, okay, 31 days month could be what? Okay, we know that there are 7 months in a year, okay, having 31 days. Okay, so let me write, there are 7 months, okay, in a year, okay, regardless of being a leap year or a non-leap year, because if it is a leap year, only February gets an extra day. The rest are status quo. They all remain at their own number of days. Okay, so 31 days months will remain with 31 days and 30 days would remain with 30 days. Am I right? So don't confuse yourself. So there are 7 months in a year, okay, having 31 days. ठीक है? What are they? Let's see. Okay, let's starting from Jan. Okay, we have Jan, we have March. We count them on our knuckles. I'm sure you understand that. If there are any other trick, do write to me in the comment box. I would love to know. August, okay, October and December. Okay guys, so these are the months. So any question set on these months would instantly make you aware that they have 31 days. So 31 days means what? Okay, that 31 days in a month is equal to, it is equal to what? Tell me. 4 weeks plus, okay, 3 extra days. Am I right? 31 days is equal to what? 28 plus 3 days. Right or wrong? Right, isn't it? So let me highlight this. Yeah. So 3 extra days. All right. Now 3 extra days, okay, will provide us some possible outcomes. Am I right? So, okay, the possible outcomes for, okay, 3 extra days would be what? Let's start. So if we were to start from, say, Thursday, am I right? So we have to, okay, we have to find 5 Thursdays, okay, 5 Thursdays, okay, in this month, okay, that has 31 days. So the possible outcomes for the 3 extra days could be starting with Thursday, Friday and Saturday. All right. So we have begun with Thursday, okay. So in those 3 days, if we begin with Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay, there is a chance that we get 1 Thursday. But anyways, we can't make it a rule. It would start with Thursday. It can start with Friday also. So in that case, we'll have Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Right? So Friday, Saturday and 1 extra day. What if there was Saturday there? Right? So if there was Saturday there, definitely the next day would be Sunday and then Monday. Isn't it? Are you getting? So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or if it begins with Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Isn't it? So Saturday we begin. Now what if Sunday comes there? So in that case, we'll have Sunday, next day would be Monday and then Tuesday. All right. So if the beginning was Monday then what? Then we'll have Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So if Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, what if there was Tuesday, okay, Wednesday and Thursday? So that's another combination. Very interesting this is, isn't it? Little mind-boggling actually, but it's fine. Since you have got to do it, so you all shouldn't react. You all should just adapt to it, what I feel. Isn't it? Do we have any choice? So it begins with Tuesday, right? So we have Tuesday, then Wednesday and then Thursday. So if we were to start with Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so we have a Thursday coming here, okay? So 1 Thursday comes here, 1 Thursday comes there. But do we have to stop now? No, we can't stop now because we'll go further, because if there was Wednesday here, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so we'll have Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday could also be another possible outcome. And after that, if Wednesday has come here as a beginner, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the next combination would be Thursday, Friday and Saturday, which we already have. Okay, and since we already have, we put our pen down and look at it. Okay, to search how many Thursdays, okay, are there in the combinations. So we have this. Okay, so we have one Thursday in this combination. We have, okay, this Thursday in this combination. We have this Thursday in this combination. Can you see it? It will become all the more, okay, interesting if you analyze this. See, how do you make this? Most of us have it very difficult to get the sample space, to get the possible outcomes. But if you'll just go like this, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it becomes very, very easy for you to lay out this. All right, so we get the number of possible outcomes are how many? 7. Number of favorable outcome is 3. We are talking about majorly. Okay, what are we talking about? We are majorly talking about these, okay, 3 extra days. Am I right? So we are getting, okay, combination, 3 combinations which provide us with a Thursday. Okay, so there is a chance that there could be, okay, 5 Thursdays. Okay, I'm getting misled by this question. Okay, so we'll have therefore the probability of having 5, okay, Thursdays in 31-day month as what? Number of favorable outcome over total number of possible outcome. All right, which is favorable is 3 and this is 7. So this is our answer. All right, now I'd like to make it once again clear that 31 days is not affected by either a leap year or a non-leap year. Even if we get, okay, say 365 days here, okay, or 366 days here. Are you getting it? So, okay, this or this. Okay, so we still have, okay, these months, okay, these months having 31 days. So they will have 31 days still, and they will still have 3 extra days, okay, and 4 weeks. Am I right? Because 31 days means 4 weeks and 3 extra days, which is 28 plus 3 is equal to 31 days. So once again, we decide upon the combination, okay, of this 3 extra days, which will be same as these all. All right. So the number of favorable outcome, okay, will be 3, as we can spot Thursday here, here and here. All right. So probability will still be the same, okay, of having 5 Thursdays in a 31 month, 31-day month, okay, in a leap year or non-leap year would be 3/7. Got it? So if you have any other queries regarding probability, do write to me in the comment section. So it's always a pleasure to be teaching, okay, getting into the concept of mathematics, okay. So I'll appreciate if you just come forward and do not hesitate at all, because okay, we are creating all these contents for the students to understand better. All right, so in a classroom it's usually a pressure on a teacher to handle 40 kids at a time. So here on YouTube, maybe you will get to see the video on and pause it also and understand the concept. So besides this, of class 10, I have number of other playlists on quadratic equations, polynomials, okay, arithmetic progressions, okay, on real numbers, etc. So you can get to see. I have put the links in the description box. Okay guys, and if you haven't subscribed, I can always request you from the bottom of my heart, do subscribe. We need encouragement from your end.